Hi everyone, thanks for watching my YouTube content. I'm Sam Kim. In this video, I would like to talk about data structure in order to calculate Spearman and Pearson correlation. In the previous video, I showed you how to calculate Spearman rho by using this formula. This formula is appropriate for this contingency table. So let's think about this long format data, which is same as this contingency table. For example, this one, the first cell, 136 frequencies can be coded like this, right? This is long format. So if we count all rows from long format data, it must be same as blue cell, right? This blue cell calculates total number of frequencies from this 5 by 5 contingency table, right? Then Pearson's correlation can be calculated by using this row and column data. Okay, and this is same as our output, right? So column J and column K indicates first row, second row, third row, fourth row, and fifth row, and also first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, right? Then let's calculate Spearman rho by two ways. So for the first way is to use this rank data. So let's get rank from column J, and we need to fix. Okay, rank for Y. I mean column. Rank the AVZ. Specify column K and comma, and select all data and fix it. Okay. Then we can calculate Spearman rho by using this column M and column N. Right. This is same as our output. And let's get Spearman rho by second way. So we can think of this formula, right? In the previous video, I explained the formula for Spearman rank order correlation. Then let's get this one, rank minus mean of rank X. So rank minus average of rank X, rank Y minus average of rank Y, and fix it. Right. Then let's use this formula. So sum product of column O, comma, and column P. And then divide by square root of sum SQ, sum square of column O times sum square of column P right. So this Excel formula is same as this Spearman rank order correlation formula, right? So you can get same Spearman rho. So I showed you how to calculate Spearman correlation, Spearman rho, and Pearson correlation in Excel, right? So again, in summary, uh, I wanted to help you understand the relationship between this 5 by 5 contents table and this long format data. So we can calculate Pearson and Spearman's rho by using contingency table formula. And also, if you convert this contingency table format to this long data format, then you can calculate Pearson and Spearman rho, which I think you are very familiar with this approach. I hope this video is useful to help you understand how to calculate Spearman rho and Pearson correlation. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.